Fourth Industrial Revolution, 4IR. This is the main focus of MIMOS. MIMOS, which is previously known as Malaysia Institute of Microelectronic System, it is founded in the year 1985. They are the National Applied R&D Center. They contribute to raise Malaysia's global economic competitiveness by pioneering market creation for Malaysian technopreneurs. They play the roles on raising nations' competitiveness, enhancing people's quality of life, and supporting the industry. MIMOS identifies key socio-economic sectors that are highly responsive to strategic use of ICT. The markets created for our partners stimulate economic growth and offer high-value jobs across the industries. And their target markets are government service, healthcare, education, public safety, agriculture, financial services, digital assessment, and manufacturing. In order to drive the fourth industrial revolution, their technology focus evolved with changing business models and key global trends. Artificial intelligence, simulation, system integration, Internet of Things, cybersecurity, cloud computing, additive manufacturing, augmented reality, big data analytics. And these are all of their current focus, which align with the 9 pillars of the 4IR.
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that will require human intelligence. Examples of these tasks are visual perceptions, decisions making, and translations between language. Real-life AI examples: self-driving car, navigation systems, smart home device, securities, and surveillance. As you can see, all of our lives are impacted by artificial intelligence on a daily basis. Whether we are using smartphone, surfing the internet, buying product online, using navigations, or wasting time on social media. AI is impacting our choice in one way or another.
Internet of Things is a network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and connectivity, which enables these things to connect, collect, and exchange data. For the applications of IoT, it includes smart city, smart health, smart farming, smart TV, smart home, smart buildings, smart appliances, wearables, and smart car. Internet of Things offer a number of benefits to organizations, enabling them to monitor their overall business processes, improve the customer experience, save time and money, enhance employee productivity, integrate and adapt business models. Internet of Things also will power the fourth industrial revolution. It will change the business models, and it also enable technological transformation. There are some issues with IoT security and privacy. They are vulnerable to cyber criminals, and also there are some issues with the personal data exploitation.
Moving on to the cloud computing. Basically, if you have a lot of stuff such as application files, videos, music, and ebooks, and you have constantly faced with the problem finding space for all your stuff, well, no longer what once existed in roundless science fiction has become reality. With cloud computing, all your stuff can be stored in World Wide Web instead on limited computer hard drive. The cloud gives you the ability to work anywhere and anytime because your information is always at your fingertips. Moving on to the benefits. The cloud computing gives you few benefits to the customer. First, it will reduce the cost efficiency. Next, it will integrate the software. The storage is unlimited. It will update automatically, and the deployment will be much more quicker than before. A few examples that I can give to you is, first is Dropbox, Google Drive, and YouTube.
For the next issue, we'll talk about big data. In big data, there is 6 main things that we need to know. The first one is volume. Volume is the vast amount of data generated every second. The second one is velocity. Velocity is the speed at which new data is generated and moves around. For example, we transfer data and download data from internet which run in about 3 Mbps per second. That is the velocity of the internet. So for the next one is variety. Variety is the different types of data which contribute to the problem, such as text, images, videos, audio files, and etc. And the fourth one is devices. Devices is the things to transfer and manage the data. For example, like iPad, laptop, and your smartphone. That is the things that you use to transfer data and manage data. And the next one is analytic. Analytic is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information. Last one is the cloud. Cloud is like the computer and data on demand. Next, look at the big data sources. There is 4 main things in big data sources, which is social networking and media. For example, like Facebook, Twitter, blogs, site comments. And the next is mobile device. Mobile device such as when you making a call to your friends, or texting, or sharing your location to each other. That is the mobile device users. And the next one is internet transaction. When you're making purchase or doing something, bank account, that is the purchase for the transaction. And the last one is the network device and sensors, tracking your mobility to your account when you searching on internet, connected hardware, sensors, and beacon interaction. So for the next one is the analytic process. The analytic process is much more deeper information for the big data, because the big data actually, when the big companies use your information, the big data, to tracking your activity, such as when you buying something in Lazada, Googling your newsfeed, you actually will see the thing or the ads about it in your newsfeed. So the next one is cost and capabilities. So in 1990s, when you want to edit a video, you actually need $2 million to buy the software. But for now, you actually use it for free. So that is the impact on big data for the future.